This 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 23 kilowatts, half-ton towable with generator, is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, air conditioning, TV, skylight, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 23 kilowatts, half-ton towable with generator, is 6,865 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.